guys! Ohayo gozaimasu! Tayo magluluto ng binukugan for our lunch for today's videos. This is what I'm making for lunch for today. And the ginisang kangkong. Dito kang gabi. Ayaw nagkatang ako. To sa reto nga mo. Diri, diba? Yummy, yummy, and your tummy. Kangkong and... Nooy, kangkong only and what's this? Asparagus? Asparagus. I am what? You don't know what is the gulay? Is that? You tikim.
Kangkong naman na.
Isn't kangkong. It's double purpose. Pasabaw ta guys kay hangover na pod gabi. Sige lang tag hangover ani. Kay uga na daw siya. Char. Oh my god, my soup is so very yummy and your tummy. Thank you for watching guys. Sayonara. Babush.